everyone, my name is Angellia Prasetya. You can call me Angel, and my student ID is 24120024. And in this video, I will explain about ambiguity in language as one of the topics in semantics. I will explain the difference of ambiguity, its type, example, and why understanding ambiguity is important in communication. First, what is ambiguity? Ambiguity is a condition where a word, phrase, or sentence has more than one possible meaning. In semantics, ambiguity happens when an expression can be interpreted in different ways by different people. Sometimes ambiguity happens because a word has multiple meanings or because structure of the sentences creates different interpretations. This can cause misunderstanding if the context is not clear. There are two common types of ambiguity. First, lexical ambiguity, and second, structural ambiguity. The first type is lexical ambiguity. Lexical ambiguity happens when the one word has more than one meaning. For example, I went to the bank. The word bank can have two meanings. The first meaning is a financial institution where people save or take money. The second meaning is the site of a river. So this sentence is ambiguous because we don't know that kind of bank the speaker means. If the speaker talks about money, the meaning is financial institution. But if the speaker talks about nature or river, the meaning can be the site of river. This shows that one word can create different meanings depending on the context. The second type is structural ambiguity. Structural ambiguity happens when the arrangement of a words in a sentence allows more than one interpretation. For example, I saw the man with a telescope. This sentence has two possible meanings. The first is I used telescope to see the man. And the second meaning is I saw a man who had a telescope. The ambiguity happens because the pairs with a telescope can explain the action of saying or describe the man. From these examples, we can see that ambiguity is related to how people understand meaning in a language. The meaning of the sentences is not only determined by the words, but also by the context and situation where the language is used. Therefore, understanding ambiguity helps us interpret messages more accurately and avoid misunderstanding in communication. In conclusion, ambiguity is phenomenon in semantics where a word, phrase, or sentence has more than one possible meaning. There are two common types of ambiguity, which are lexical ambiguity and structural ambiguity. By learning ambiguity, we can understand how meaning works in language and improve our communication skills. That's all for my video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.